Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is using movies and sound. In this video, we will learn how can we insert audio and video in presentation. So first click on layout, then select a layout. Now from here we can insert video and we can do this. Go to the insert tab. Here we have a media group. Click on video. There are two options available. One is that online video. You can insert a video from YouTube and any another channel into here and you can play it. Second is any video you have on your laptop or PC you can insert. So I will select this one, then select the video. Now click on insert. So you can see we inserted video. Now click on play. Now pause it. You observe when I click on video, I have got two tabs, format and playback. From here we can edit video and do changing. Now we will insert audio. So click on new slide. Now go to the insert tab and click on audio. Here we have three options. First is online video, second is audio on my PC, and the third is record audio. So what you want you can select from here. I will select this one, then select the audio. Now click on insert. So you can see here we have icon. Now click on play. Here we have also two tabs, format and playback. We can format this icon. You can see that what you want you can do it from here, and we can editing in audio. So in that way we can insert audio and video in our presentation. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.